Upgrade your bathroom in Gainesville City, Florida. With trusted, local remodeling pros who deliver fast and flawless results. The number you need is 877 693 5731. We offer complete installs for showers, vanities, flooring, toilets, and tub conversions. Enhance your home further with ADA-compliant design, non-slip surfaces, smart lighting, and custom tile finishes. From initial discussions, we can help with design, material selection, required permits through to complete installation. We ensure comfort, style, and full satisfaction. Call 877 693 5731 today for your prompt consultation in Gainesville, Alachua, Newberry, and surrounding areas. Call now. 877 693 5731.